Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Asian equities trade mixed. http ntvforex.com news ID C48DB7 7/17/2020 7:34:25 am. Asia market update. Asian equities trade mixed. Shanghai rose by over 1% during morning session but later gave back gain. Rio Tinto paired gain after production update. US equity FUTs rise after prior decline. General trend. Early decliners in Shanghai included IT and financial related firms. Consumer stocks rise after losses during prior session. Kweichow rose over 2%. Japanese real estate and iron steel companies are among the decliners. Weakness in JP Airlines has been attributed to report that Japan will exclude Tokyo from its travel campaign. Topics. Bank index drops, brokerage index rises. Japan said to consider removing the firewall between banking and brokerage activities. BlueScope Steel declines in Australia following guidance. Netflix declines by over 9% after results and guidance. Companies expected to report results during the New York morning include BlackRock, State Street. Headlines. Economic data. Australia, New Zealand. ASX 200 opened 0.1%. Rio Tinto RIO.AU reports Q2 Pilbara iron ore shipments 86.7 mtV 85.4 mtyy 87.3 mte affirms FY20 Pilbara shipments guidance. O Victoria State reports 428 additional coronavirus cases v 317 prior new daily record. O Australia sells $1.0 v $1.0 indicated in 1.50% June 2031 bonds, average yield 0.9407%, bid to cover 4.5x. O Australia will sell new 2051 bond viaduct syndication during week of July 27. NZ New Zealand May manufacturing PMI 56.3 v 39.8 prior. NZ New Zealand June Treasury Activity Index 0.9 v 6.3 prior. NZ Reserve Bank of New Zealand RBNZ buys NZ $230m v NZ $390m prior in government bonds as part of QEV NZ $230m sought. NZ Reserve Bank of New Zealand RBNZ will seek to purchase NZ $940m v NZ $940m prior in government bonds next week. China Hong Kong. Hang Seng opens 0.7%, Shanghai 0.1%. Cathay Pacific 293.HK issues profit warning H1 prelim HK net 9.9 BV 1.3 BYY previously guided a substantial loss. June passenger traffic 99.1% YY. CN Shanghai exchange margin balance 0.2% v 0.4% prior. First decline since early June. China stock leverage declines for first time in 14 sessions. CN China says the sharp fall in A share prices yesterday was a normal market adjustment. Chinese press. CN China State Planner NDRC. Some domestic industries have not returned to normal. Employment pressure is huge. Will closely watch changes in domestic and international environment and step up policy reserves. CN China Banking and Insurance Regulatory Commission SPERC reported to have urged banks to strengthen their emergency management, said to have told these financial firms to create or update their contingency plans. Financial press. CN China tighter rules related to banks' online lending said to take effect. U.S. financial press. U.S. White House Press Secretary McEnany. Trump has not ruled out any options on China. CN China Bok open market operation. OMO injects 200 billion Chinese yuan via 7-day reverse repos. V injects 50 billion Chinese yuan via 7-day reverse repos. Prior net injection 200 billion Chinese yuan. V net injection 50 billion Chinese yuan prior. CN China Bok open market operation. OMO net injection total 330 billion Chinese yuan for the week. V net drain of 290 billion Chinese yuan prior. CN China PBOC sets yuan reference rate 7.0043 v 6.9913 prior. CN China June FX net settlement 21.7 billion Chinese yuan v 142.9 b prior. CN China State Administration of Foreign Exchange SAFE sees current account surplus in Q2. Small fluctuations in current account are normal, no need to panic in June. Chinese banks' net US dollar USD purchase declined due to dividend payouts. CN China Finance Ministry MOF H1 Rev 10.8% YY H1 fiscal spending 5.8% YY will sell total of 15 billion Chinese yuan in bonds overseas in 2020. CN Labak Gov Yi Gang allocation of IMF SSDR would boost all members' FX reserves as a quick and cost-effective response to the global pandemic. OP-Ed piece. CNCSI News front page comment reinforcing the foundation of China economic recovery requires policy efforts. CN follow-up U.S. White House is weighing its options on blacklisting TikTok, the co could be added to the U.S. entity list FT. CN China National Health Commission Coronavirus Update for July 16 additional cases 10v1 prior additional deaths 0v0 prior. Japan. Nikkei 225 opened 0.2%. JP Japan reported to be considering eliminating the firewall between banking and brokerage businesses. Nikkei. JP Follow-up Japan reported to be offering up to 70 billion in subsidies in order to diversify supply chain out of China. Press. JP Japan said to exclude Tokyo from travel campaign. JP Tokyo coronavirus cases reported to be GT 290 v 286 prior. Press. JP Japan suspends the bidding process for program to support Japanese restaurants. Japan Press. JP Kazushige Kamiyama, head of BOJ Research and Stats Department, noted the importance of high-frequency and other unconventional data in providing real-time info. Financial Press. Korea. Kospi opened 0.2%. KR Bank of Korea BOK to provide up to KRW8T in loans through its Special Purpose Vehicle SPV program to begin purchases of corp paper and bonds starting July 24. Friday. KR South Korea FinMin uncertainties to growth path high, weak global demand hurts exports recovery. KR South Korea President Moon tax revisions should not hurt the equity market. Other Asia. SG Singapore June non-oil domestic exports 0.5% v 4.6% EYY 16.1% v 8.0% E. North America. Microsoft MSFT reportedly cut LT1K jobs this week. The cuts were said to target areas including MSN.com and Azure Cloud Unit. Financial Press. Twitter TWTR says 130 accounts were targeted by hackers. Tesla TSLA June China vehicle registrations said to rise to record. U.S. Financial Press. U.S. Senate Republicans reported to produce relief opening bid next week as speculated plan expected to have employee retention tax credit. Press. U.S. Press Trump tells associates he will not sign next COVID relief bill without a payroll tax cut. Politico. Europe. Daimler DAI.de reports prelim Q2 above market expectations. Reports prelim Q2 Group EBIT 1.7 BV 2.1 B, Industrial FCF 685 MV 2.11 B. Better than expected market recovery and a strong June performance. Levels as of 1:20 ET. Nikkei 225, 0.4%, ASX 200 0.1%, Hang Seng 0.5%, Shanghai Composite 0.4%, Kospi 0.6%. Equity SAMP P500 Futures 0.2%, Nasdaq 100 0.7%, DAX 0.2%, FTSE 100 0.1%. 1.1393 euros 1.1377 Japanese yen 107.36 107 Australian dollars and 19 cents 0.6991 0.6966 NZD 0.6549 0.6530 Gold 0.1% at $1,798 ounce. Crude oil flat at $40.74 BRL. Copper 0.2% at $2.8893 lb. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.